and welcome to the presentation of our transaction paper, Robust Recovery of PMU Signals with Outlier Characterization and Stochastic Subspace Selection. I'm Kaustav Chatterjee, and this paper has been co-authored with Dr. Kaveri Mahapatra and Dr. Nilanjan Raichaudhuri. PMU data can be corrupted with missing samples, spurious outliers, and bad data from cyber attacks. This may lead to incorrect estimation of system states. Robust PCA-based data recovery algorithm is an effective tool to reconstruct the true data from corrupted observations. In this algorithm, we model the PMU measurements from multiple locations, ZT, as a sum of the true data vector, YT, and a corruption vector, ET. We assume that YT belongs to a low-rank subspace and ET is a sparse vector. The true data estimate Y hat T is obtained using a sparse optimization technique as shown in the figure. There are two main challenges associated with a data recovery approach as proposed. We shall discuss them now. First, the RPCA-based approach is unable to distinguish between event-induced outliers and spiky bad data. In this context, we mean event-induced outliers as fault outliers and outliers from outages. This may lead to incorrect reconstruction of fault tails, leading to errors in fault localization. Also, a successful data recovery requires knowledge of the low-rank subspace to which the true data points belong. An event like an outage may cause the subspace to change. Therefore, challenge remains on how do we quickly identify the new subspace following a fault or an event and begin the recovery of the post-event transients. As a solution to the first, we propose a kernel PCA-based unsupervised algorithm for detection of event outliers in presence of bad data. While it may be difficult to separate between event data and bad data in input space, we show that with a suitable choice of kernel function, a linear separation may be obtained in a higher dimensional feature space. On successful detection of an event, we momentarily suspend the data recovery in the event window. This way, we preserve the event outlier. Next, as a solution for the second, we prepare a library of subspaces pre-computed from the possible operating conditions, considering the load generation forecasting, and then propose a recursive Bayesian approach for an automated selection of the closest matching subspace. We also propose an accelerated search and termination criteria. Robust PCA-based data recovery is resumed upon selection of the new subspace. We now present a case study from the IEEE 5 Area 16 machine test system. We consider voltage magnitude measurements from 10 PMU locations, mostly covering the tie line buses and the important generators. At 16.67 seconds, we simulate a three-phase fault near bus 18, which is cleared by opening the line connecting buses 18 and 42. This fault data is recorded and replayed as a corruption to the PMUs in buses 18 and 49, starting at 21.67 seconds. For reconstruction, our library has 4 subspaces as shown. Clearly, subspace S2 is the closest match to our operating condition. Plots A and B in the left show successful detection of fault outlier at the 16.67 seconds, the successful detection of the data anomaly at 21.67 seconds, and the successful recovery of the time of the true data at the corruption instance. The probability estimates for each of the 4 subspaces are also shown in the figure A and B in the right. Finally, we summarize the results from the paper and draw our conclusions. We identified 2 major limitations with a standalone RPCA-based data recovery approach. We showed that this is unable to distinguish between event outliers and bad data outliers, leading to incorrect reconstruction of event tails. To that end, we proposed a kernel PCA-based corruption resilient event detection approach. When this is augmented to the RPCA-based data recovery, this stops the recovery at the instant of the event detection, thereby preserving the signature of the fault or the event. We also saw that a system may change after an event like line or unit outages, and a new subspace may be required for reconstruction of the post-event transients. To that end, we proposed an automated subspace selection approach with an accelerated search and termination criteria. Thank you.